Good morning children. Last class we had learnt modal verbs. Now let's take a quick recap. Helping verbs are also known as modal verbs. The verbs can, could, may, might, will, shall and ought are called modal verbs. They are used before ordinary verbs and express meanings such as permission, possibility, ability and necessity. We know that verbs are doing words. They tell us about the action in the sentence. They also tell the time of the action. Okay children. Now I shall show a slide. You have any idea of this word slowly? All you know that to move something slowly. Now let's see the sentence. Arun ran slowly. Yes, good. You got it correctly. The word slowly describes and modifies the verb ran. The word slowly is the adverb. Okay, let's take deeper look about them. Adverb. First let us see what is an adverb. An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Lots of adverbs end with ly. For example, she swims quickly. Here, the adverb quickly modifies the verb swims. Another example, she writes carefully. Here also, the adverb carefully modifies the verb writes. One more example, the bird is very small. This sentence has an example of an adverb that describes an adjective. Do you see an adjective in this sentence? Yes, small is an adjective. It describes the noun bird. But there is an adverb that describes small. It tells us how small. Do you see the word? Very. Very is an adverb because it describes the adjective small. Next example, the students always study so quietly. In this sentence, we have an example of an adverb that describes another adverb quietly. Is an adverb that tells how the students study. But there is also an adverb that tells us how quietly they study. Do you see the word so? So is an adverb because it describes another adverb quietly by telling how quietly. What do adverbs do? When an adverb modifies a verb, it tells us how, when, where the action takes place. It is quite easy to find out the adverb. We take the verb and ask the questions how, when, where. If we get an answer, it is the adverb. Adverbs tell where, when, how much and how often. Here are some examples. Example for where. We parked the car here. In this sentence, the action or verb of the sentence is parked. Do you see the word that tells where we parked? Here. Here is an adverb because it tells where we parked. At the same time, here, there, everywhere, outside and so on will also come under where. Let's see an example for when. He played soccer today. The action or verb of the sentence is played. Do you see the word that tells when he played soccer? Today. Today is an adverb because it describes the verb played by telling when he played soccer. When did he play? Today. Today, yesterday, Friday, early, now. All that tells when something happened and so on will come under when. Example for how. They speak quietly. The action or verb of the sentence is speak. Do you see the word that tells how they speak? Quietly. Quietly is the adverb that tells how they speak. Happily, loudly, and gently are all examples of adverbs that tell how something was done. Example for how much. They run so quickly. This sentence has two adverbs. The action or verb is run. Quickly tells how they run, and so is an adverb that tells how much or how quickly they run. The words too, very, almost, enough are all examples of adverbs that tell how much or how. Finally, example for how often. Shiny usually calls me at 5 p.m. In the sentence, the action or verb is calls. Usually tells how often Shiny calls me. The words always, sometimes, never are all adverbs that tell us how often something occurs. Remember, these are only examples. There are hundreds of other adverbs that tell where, when, how much and how often. These will just help you understand when you see adverbs that describe these details. Okay children, now let's see how you understand this class. Take a look at these 4 sentences. First one, the fish swam slowly in the very warm water. The sentence has 2 adverbs. What are they? Slowly and very. Now remember, adverbs describe verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. First, let's look at the word slowly. What happens slowly in the sentence? It tells us more about the action or verb swam. It tells us how the fish swam. How did the fish swim? Slowly. And the next word, very. Very tells us more about the adjective warm. It tells us how warm the water was. How warm was it? Very warm. Next sentence, today my sister went to school early in the morning. This sentence has 2 adverbs. What are they? Today and early. Which word in the sentence does the word today describe? Today describes the action or verb went because it tells when. When did my sister go to school? Today. Now, what about the word early? Which word in the sentence does early describe? Early also describes the verb went. When did my sister go to school? Early in the morning. Next sentence, they often run outside. Now they are playing here inside. These 2 sentences have 5 adverbs. What are they? Often, outside, now, here and inside. Let's look at the first one, often. Which word in the sentence does often describe? Often describes the verb run. It tells how do they run? Often. What about outside? Which word does that describe? Outside also describes the verb run because it tells where. Where do they run? Outside. Let's look at the next part of the sentence now. Does it describe or playing here or inside? Now describes the verb or playing. The word now tells us when they are playing. When are they playing? Next, what about the word here? Here also describes the verb or playing because it tells us where are they playing. Here. Similarly, with inside. The word inside describes the verb or playing. Where are they playing? Inside. Next sentence. We laughed so hard that our stomachs really hurt. This sentence has three adverbs. What are they? So, hard and really. Which word in the sentence does the word so describes? The adverb so helps us to understand the word hard. It tells us how hard. Next adverb hard. What does it describe? Hard describes the verb laughed. It tells how we laughed. How did we laugh? We laughed hard. And finally the adverb really. Which word in the sentence does the word really describe? Really describes the verb hurt. It tells how much our stomachs hurt. How much did they hurt? They really hurt. Okay children, now let's take a quick recap. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Lots of adverbs end with ly. What do adverbs do? When an adverb modifies a verb, it tells us how, when, where the action takes place. It is quite easy to find out the adverb. We take the adverb and ask the questions how, when, where. If we get the answer, it is the adverb. I hope this video help you understand what is an adverb and how to identify it. From this class, you have learnt about adverb and usage of adverb. You will be learning the types of adverbs in the upcoming week. Okay children, thank you.